Hi, it's Kyrie, back with this week's winners. We had so much fun watching your crash tests, and I have to say, your vehicles were awesome. The mystery box items were definitely put to the test. But before we get to the winners, let's check in with Brooke to see how the leaderboard is shaping up.
Thanks, Kyrie. Everyone who entered earned 1 point, and a lot of you picked up bonus points for things like workshop attendance, epic fails, and creativity with those mystery items. Here's what the leaderboard looks like so far.
We have yet another change in the lead this week, with Tyler taking the top spot on the points leaderboard. 22 people earned bonus points this week for completing our online workshop, while 17 people earned 5 bonus points each for completing their 5th challenge of the summer. Adwaitha and Tyler each earned another 5 bonus points for convincing a friend to complete their first Invent the Summer challenge.
Now let's pass it back to Kyrie to find out who this week's winners are.
The winner of the Audience Choice Award is selected by all of you. And this week's winner is Nathan. Our junior board and senior board reviewed all the entries and selected the most creative and effective design. Here are the winners. In the 9 and under at-home category, the winner is Team Pure Tender Cake. And our 10 and older at-home winner is Greer. Our 9 and under workshop winner is Cody. And our 10 and older workshop winner is Joshua and Jacob. Our wild card winner of the week is Method and Match for building the coolest race car. Congratulations to all our winners. You can see their crash test creations on our website. Winners will get an email from us soon to choose their prizes. Thanks to everyone who entered this week. You seriously crushed it in the best way. Check back tomorrow for our next challenge. See you then.